Hello everyone, welcome back to the Bambas channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to edit your green screen background, edit your background and put yourself anywhere you want to put yourself using the Kinemaster chroma key. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you're new, please subscribe, because I do editing, we do so many things. It's a family channel. Please stay tuned and I hope you enjoy the videos. It's really gonna help out with your video editing adventures. Thank you. So this is the video shot with a green screen background, and I will be putting this in another background, probably in a room or anywhere else. We have to click this video by tapping on the layer and then trim to the right of the player, and then click on media to add your background. Then scroll down and choose. Okay, I'm scrolling through the background I just put. So click on the check mark, click on the scissors to trim to the right. Hit the three dots on the left hand side to duplicate as layer, then drag it all the way to the background. Then click on the layer and on the corners just to adjust the size of it. Go to cropping and max on, choose the square and then crop it. Drag it by the four corners to crop it the way you want, so it's all the way by the green. Click on the video layer. Let's go to chroma key, turn it on, choose the color of the green screen, the shade of green you want, and then adjust it with those two balls. Keep adjusting until it blends in, and then you click the check mark. Click on the layer again, go to crop, and then use the four corners to adjust it the way you want to crop it. Then play the video.
Okay.
I will drag her down here so she can be over there. Notice that background is split. I will crop it now by going to crop and then use those two left side arrows and drag it. Check and play.
Okay. I'll say geek again.
All I'm doing now is just cropping. Look at that top left side. Crop it down so that nothing will show except the background you wanted. Then I'm going to go forward, and to trim it, tap on the layer, go to the scissors, trim to the left side, and then drag the layer up to the front of the background.
I'll say geek again. All right.
Notice the video stopped before the background. I'm gonna stop it right there and trim it to the right side of playhead. Scissors, trim to the right and maximize it. Let's play and see what it looks like. She's looking good, although the camera wasn't stable. Someone was holding it, that's why it's moving all over the place. So we'll go ahead and save this by tapping on the three dots on the left side of the screen of the phone and full 1080p 60. Export it and let's see how it looks. So that turned out very good. I also mute the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you. Bye.